M. M for moon. M for monkey. M for milk. M for man. M for mango.